Bluetooth on? No, it's not on. Another day, another dollar. What's going on YouTube today? I believe it's Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday. One of them days. Stick in the truck. Early morning, nice and bright out here. Try to get some repairs done today. Fix this step. Got a busted shock somewhere underneath here. Yep, this one right here. So I'm gonna try to replace both these shocks. Get a clutch adjustment and a brake adjustment. Go get the truss greased up. Need to grease that up. Look like a boat right there. About to come off the top rope. Yep, I need to tighten that up. That's about to come off the top rope. Okay. Trailer is good back there. I need a brake adjustment on that trailer too, man. The brakes are too tight back here. Y'all know they brand new. That's my other trailer right here. 2018. I don't know, whatever the model is. Sandbox trailer. We just call it sandbox trailer, but 2018 comes with a lot of the latest, greatest payments and stuff on it. You know, as I can see, I'm paying the city right here in my new terminal. See, Andrew got a new terminal. Comes with a hotel. Yeah, it's my new terminal right here. We're doing arrows up boxes. So they put 2 boxes on here. I believe each box hold about 20,000 pounds. I never did the one with 2 boxes. You know, I think the model is Cheetah right there. So made sure before I left that we had good trailer tires, man, because I gotta pay for all this shit. So truck passed inspection. The trailer passed inspection. I didn't see nothing wrong with it. All the lights and stuff worked. Everything looked pretty decent on it. I know the sun is kind of bright right now, but you know, I didn't see any damage or anything. I checked out the brakes and stuff. There we are down now. Everything seemed pretty decent. Nothing was damaged, ripped, fucked up. So it's looking pretty decent. No damage to it. I got a blue truck over there. The white truck over there, we got emissions issues on the white truck. We'll go over there and talk about that in just a second. But just got to keep these greased up. Keep them greased up so that you can easily turn it to lock the box. It's just like working a port, I believe, if y'all got these at the port with the chassis, where you just turn it to lock the box. Except for out here, you don't have to put the, at the port, y'all got to put the string through it. I forgot what you call it. We don't have to do that out here. Nah, we don't want to show all that. But yeah, decent trailer. Like I said, ready to go for sandbox. Go pick up 2 empty boxes and get to work. Right now, that trailer is going to go with this blue truck. It's going to do sandbox for about a week. And then I may have a owner-operator come lease on and let him hook up to that trailer and have fun with it. But as of right now, I'm going to do sandbox with this truck because I need to see what's going on out there in the sandbox world because I have no idea. Plus, I never did the 2 boxes, so, you know. On this truck, I'm finna go get brand new shots. The shots are busted, you know. I thought they was fairly new. But I looked right here, and as y'all can see, how you know they busted is oily. That's how I know. So, boom, right there, it's clearly busted. So, 4 shots all the way around. My mechanic coming back today. Yep, we need new shots on these. So 4 shots all the way around. Everything else pretty much decent. I got a shop coming today for a brand new windshield. This was the old injector harness. That's what we was doing yesterday. I told you it was 2 of them. So we did the injector harness. This is the old one. So it's got brand new injector harnesses. Although we're not done yet. A storm had came through last night, so we didn't quite finish just yet. We got the harness already installed, but we just gotta finish some other stuff. What else was I gonna tell you about this? Oh yeah, the windshield. Yeah, I got a shop coming today. It's not Safelite. It's another shop equivalent to Safelite, but they're gonna replace this windshield for about $300, as y'all can see. So that's not gonna pass inspection. So they're gonna come to the hotel right here and change out that window. Like I said, it's $300, so that ain't no problem. Brand new windshield. You know, they'll be here between noon and 4 p.m. So they're gonna do that. My mechanic gonna finish up on this. And I got my Migos ready to do an inspection on the truck. Oh, I need to go get decals made. Gotta go to the mall, get decals made for the truck. Other than that, like I said, if I can get all that done, we can pass inspection. Over here, my man having emissions issues, so he had to take the filter off. Well, first he had to take the whole side of the truck off, and he had to take the filter off, take it up to Kenworth and get it baked. So, and I'm not familiar with the DEF system and what all y'all got to go through. But oh, I don't even know if y'all know who truck this is. So this is the owner of the blue truck, the Kenworth, the flat top Kenworth. This is his other truck. He's got more than one truck. So, man, can I zoom out? I can't even zoom out. But yeah, this is his other truck. It's Cascadia. I forgot what year it is, but one of the newer Cascadias. Look like it's got real good antennas, huh? Got that good CB in there, huh? But yeah, my man having DEF issues right now, so you know, don't come with no APU. Spare tire, it don't come with an APU. So we're gonna get that taken care of. I'm looking for other stuff because I'm finna go to Freightliner and get these shots. I'm trying to see if there's any other thing I need. We got brand new. Oh man, it's Callie calling. Goddamn, hold on, y'all. I didn't realize Callie had been calling. I just looked at the phone. We got brand new batteries already. You gotta do the HT method, man. Brand new batteries, brand new starter. Go ahead and replace all the shots. You gotta do the load ready. You gotta do all that. Got to do all that. Now, I just told y'all my man is having DEF issues. DEF, DPF. As you can clearly see, he's having issues. Now, I understand that, you know, he's having issues. The truck got cancer right now. It's got cancer, and it definitely looked like a lot to deal with right there. But you know, if he, I'm just saying, if he wants to leave the money on the seat, if he wait a minute, hold on now. If he wants to leave the money on the seat now, we can ensure that those issues down now will never happen again if he leaves the money on the seat. That's all we're gonna say about that now. Moving along now. We got the old, what is this? The old, is that the Jake brake? Oh, we gotta reinstall the Jake brake. Damn, that shit heavy, huh? But anyways, that's what we gotta do. Put the Jake brakes back on. As far as in here go, I don't know why he got tape around this shit. I don't know what the fuck. I guess it's holding this plastic shit up. I don't know what the fuck. But everything in here is all good. It all works. Of course, you got the temporary broke, pieces. All this shit is cosmetic. It can all be replaced. Look like they already took the screws out, so it probably just popped right off. Oh, I figured out how to open the door on the inside. One of y'all said you just pull this, so yeah, you just pull this. Yeah, you just pull this crap to open the door on the inside. Maybe that's why he cut it all out right here. Yeah, we're gonna get some brand new door locks. Don't worry. Be happy now. Yeah, a lot of space up in this thing right here. I got a video I already did, a tour video. I just ain't released it because I ain't edited it yet, but I'll give y'all a quick little rundown up in here. So I told y'all we replaced the AC dryer right there. And this is what's in here so far. Double bunk, window at the top, cabinet over here. That cabinet gonna come out. And well, I don't know if I'm gonna take that cabinet out or this cabinet right here, because they got a cabinet up top right here. So let's see. But one of them cabinets coming out for a refrigerator, you know. Then we need to figure out where the speaker's gonna go. We got one at the top right there. That look like a 6x9. Take that out right there. Take that one over there out right there. We need the bang in the back. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, put a subwoofer up there. If we got space, got the sunroof, got this little space up here. Then all that right there, all that. Okay. Yeah, y'all see, 13 speed. So, just a quick overview of the truck. For y'all that ain't seen it yet, man, I ain't did nothing inside of here. All I did was drive this truck to this hotel, and that was it. So, you know, I've been in the flat top over here, getting it in. Now, always remember, when they actually are running a real fleet, you can see it. A lot of people ask, Andrew, why are your lips so chapped? Because I don't kiss ass.